What if I told you that financial success isn't about luck, inheritance, or working 80 hours a week? What if the real difference between those who struggle and those who thrive comes down to just one thing: understanding the rules of money that most people never learn? The uncomfortable truth is this: most people stay broke not because they lack talent or opportunity, but because they were never taught how money really works. They follow outdated advice, repeat what their parents did, and hope something magical will change. But hope is not a strategy. Today, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful secrets that can completely transform your financial life. The kind of secrets that the wealthy quietly pass down, while the rest are left wondering why they can never seem to get ahead. Let's dive into it. Secret number one: wealth is a mindset before it becomes a bank balance. If you believe you're destined to struggle, guess what? You will. Wealthy people think differently. They don't see problems, they see opportunities. They believe money is abundant and that success is inevitable. This isn't fluff, it's neuroscience. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your results. Secret 2: save to invest, not just to save. Saving is important, but saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats away at your cash every single year. Instead, use your savings as fuel to invest in assets that grow over time: real estate, index funds, online businesses, anything that multiplies your money. The wealthy don't save to feel safe. They save to buy freedom. Secret 3: learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt keeps you poor. It funds liabilities like clothes, gadgets, and cars that lose value. Good debt makes you rich. It helps you acquire cash-flowing assets. The financially educated use debt as leverage to build empires. The financially blind fear debt and stay trapped forever. Quick question: ever notice how the guy complaining about money always has the newest iPhone? Just saying. Secret 4: your environment is either building your bank account or breaking it. If you spend your time around people who live paycheck to paycheck, guess where you'll end up? But if you surround yourself with people who talk about investments, growth, and ownership, your entire mindset begins to shift. Wealth is contagious, so choose your circle carefully. Secret 5: build multiple streams of income. Relying on one income source is financial Russian roulette. What happens if that job disappears? You need backup plans. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or dividend stocks, create income streams that don't rely on your physical presence. That's how you build resilience and wealth. Secret 6: master high-income skills. We're talking copywriting, digital marketing, coding, branding, video editing, skills that companies pay big for and AI can't easily replace. These skills give you control over your income, no matter where you live or what degree you have. The more valuable you become, the more freedom you gain. Secret 7: automate your finances. The more you automate, the less likely you are to sabotage your future. Automatically transfer money into your savings, your investments, your debt repayments. Don't rely on willpower. Build systems that make wealth inevitable. Secret 8: delay gratification. The wealthiest people are masters of this. While the masses chase instant pleasure, the rich delay it for long-term gains. They'll skip the flashy car today to buy an income-producing asset tomorrow. Discipline now equals luxury later. Secret 9: track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. Wealthy people track income, expenses, investment returns, everything, because clarity leads to control. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can redirect it with precision and purpose. And finally, Secret 10: invest in yourself more than anything else. Read daily, study money, learn from mentors, watch content that uplifts and educates. Your income will never outgrow your mindset. You are your greatest asset. Treat yourself like it. Now, here's the real question: Will you apply this knowledge or let it fade like another motivational video? Financial success isn't a single moment. It's a daily commitment, a series of small decisions made over time that compound into greatness. And guess what? You're not behind. You're not too late. You're right on time, if you act now. If this video sparked something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Like it. Share it. Subscribe for more direct wisdom on mastering money and building your dream life. And drop a comment below. Which of these 10 secrets are you going to start applying today? Your journey to financial freedom begins now. You've taken the first step. Now, go take the second.